Aloha everybody! Okay, so we are having our Friendsmas at Kako. Kako. Oops. And then we all got matching shirts this year instead of matching pajamas. Yeah, Trees, let's show them your shirt. So we got the Grinch, and then on the side we got some.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. So that's our matching shirts. So welcome back to my channel. Christilani here. So we're gonna just have a Friendsmas at a restaurant instead of at home. And yeah, so come join us. We already got a compliment on our shirts.
I always do. Every time I look ratchet, I always do.
So we're waiting for the other gang. I don't know.
The Lanis.
Yeah, the Lanis. That's what our group text is called, the Lanis. So everybody get that. Lani at the end of their name. Trees Lani, I don't know. Yeah, we can get used to it. Trees Lani. Let's show your shirt.
Oh.
Our matching shirts. Okay. Lucky we never come
went to watch the movie.
Lucky we never come with matching pajamas.
I know.
Seating sucks already.
I'm biased though. Toto's really good. So if you want like a juicy.
What you said? What you said?
After this or what?
You want
I'm trying to get drunk, bro.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're spilling your drink.
Is that medium well?
my god.
Your lashes.